What's going on, guys? Dave here, Anthem Off-Road Wheels. This, my friends, is Anthem Rates Your Ride. It's been a little bit since I've been up at the Offset's garage grinding away while we're shooting a video. Thanks, guys. It's been a little while since I got to hang out with the Custom Offsets crew up here in Appleton, Wisconsin. We've been doing this virtual for a while, but Travis is here with me. Travis, tell me who you are. What do you do?
Travis, I'm videographer at Anthem Off-Road. I started about 2 months ago, joined the team, and now I'm shooting some awesome videos of trucks, wheels, suspension here at Anthem, and I'm proud to be part of the team, and currently doing a Rate Your Ride right here, and I'm excited to be a part of it. Man, we are happy to have you on the team because there's one thing about Anthem Off-Road that I think truly makes us different than every other wheel company is we have not just a passion for the wheel brand, but the whole lifestyle around it, right? You do that hunting, the camping, all the fishing and off-roading and stuff too? Oh, of course. I mean, I got a place not far from here. I love to do the fishing in the fall time, springtime, summertime, just outdoors in general. I love it.
Hell yeah. So I tell you what, I got to get you and the rest of the Anthem crew down in Florida with me. We can go out on the Gulf, do some deep sea fishing, man. That'd be awesome.
Oh, I enjoy that, man.
All right, so we've got 3 vehicles that we are going to take a look at today. There we go. 3 different vehicles we're going to take a look at today. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about the vehicles. We're going to rate them 1 to 10, 1 being the ugliest vehicle you've ever seen and 10 being absolutely perfect. So the first vehicle that we're looking at right now is a 2016 Chevy Colorado running our set of our Anthem Off-Road Avengers. This one in 20x12 -44 offset. He's running the Cross Leader Wild Tiger 33 12.5-inch tires on a rough country suspension kit. We're looking 6 inches this time around. So as we scroll through this feed in the Anthem Gallery, we can see he's got a slight rub at full turn, and he had to do a little bit of minor plastic trimming just to make sure he could get through the parking lot. What stands out to you on this vehicle?
Yeah, Dave. This guy actually I've seen on Instagram himself. I think he started this Colorado from scratch, and with that like customized that halo lighting to it. I mean that grill. I mean it looks so good. Those little details really make like the big picture pop, which are those wheels itself and like that 6-inch lift. I think it's not too big, not too small. That offset either. I mean, I'm not a huge offset guy, to be honest, when it comes to like wheels and whatnot, but this one fits this Colorado perfectly, I think. But I really feel like the little details to this truck really makes everything like pop, and like you said, these Colorados are made for like the outdoor type atmosphere, so you get it muddy, you don't really need to worry about anything. I mean, it's part of the truck itself. I mean, the name says it all too. Colorado. Yeah. So I love this vehicle. My rating, I'd probably give this one a...
Oh, not yet. We're close. Too fast. We're close. That's all right. This is your first time. Yeah. Hey, so gosh, I love this truck, right? So I'm a Silverado guy, but man, the more I see Colorados that look like this one, man, this is it. Now, like you mentioned, the offset's a little bit too deep for me, and as you scroll through Matty Matt 08's gallery ad, like you can see the mud slung all the way up throughout the vehicle, and a lot of that is a result of how deep of an offset he selected. That -44 is no joke. I do love, right, he's got pictures in here of his vehicle just perfectly pristine. And then we also have these off-road pictures. I love that he's willing to use his vehicle. He's willing to drive it to church on Sunday and go mudding on Saturday and just really have a great time with this vehicle. You mentioned the halo lights. I like in his fog lights, he kept a little bit of chrome, right? And I think that flows perfectly with these Anthem Avengers. That whole body style, the whole front grille from the grill, the headlights, the bull bar, and just the subtle accents of black and chrome look amazing with this Anthem Avenger. All right, so I'm gonna go 3, 2, 1, and then yell your number.
That's what we're doing, okay.
All right, 10's the best. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1,
9.
8. Yeah, it's a beautiful truck, man. I love the balance of black and white, and he's got the white bumper on the rear and the bull bar on the front. I went to an 8 for really 2 reasons. I really like the way the Colorados look, but for me personally, it's got to be a full-size truck. And then the second point, I really believe that -44 offset is a little bit too much for me. I think if he had gone with a 20x9 or a 20x10, I would prefer it to look a little bit better, but you know, that's the best part about this hobby that we have, is everybody designs their vehicles to their own standards. And even though I don't like the negative 44, man, I respect it because it looks sharp.
It looks sharp, exactly, but sometimes you got to utilize that like offset when you're, I mean, I take it as a day-by-day standard. I mean, you're driving anywhere, you got to worry about your wheels, tires. I mean, you never know when a curb's going to pop up on you. I mean, could be the best driver, could be the worst driver. You never know when you're going to scrape. So,
all right. So second vehicle, we are looking at a 2016 Ram 1500. Come on now, and we're there. All right. So 2016 Ram 1500. What he's running right now is the Anthem Equalizer in a 20x10 negative 24 offset in those Nitto Ridge Grapplers. 275/60, all under a rough country 3-inch suspension lift kit. So no rubbing, no scrubbing, and this is a really good looking truck, man. He did a good job building this one. What's the first thing that stands out to you?
To me, what stands out honestly is, let's go back to the offset. I think this is a perfect offset. Like I said, not too big, not too small. It runs perfect with the truck itself, and crew cab, it being a, I'm guessing a shorter bed or standard bed. I'm not a huge, like, honestly, brush guard guy, kind of like that, those details. I don't know if that brush guard runs as like nice as I would say, or I would run it on a Ram like that. It's a smaller one. I get the use of it.
Yeah, it's it really is a good looking truck. I'm not really a big fan of that all blacked out look, just because I've owned black vehicles before. And man, they can be really, really hard to keep clean. And especially once you start hitting the more significant negative offsets, you're just kicking up more dirt, more debris, more stuff from the road. Yeah. That said, nothing looks better than a clean black truck. And right now, as these pictures are posted, it looks amazing. I think the equalizers flow really, really well, with a little bit of chrome in the headlights, a little bit of chrome in the fog lights, and everything flows really, really well. I think I'm ready. You ready to rate it?
Yeah.
All right. 3, 2, 1, 7. It's a solid 7. It's a nice truck. It's a beautiful truck.
It is. Wouldn't go wrong. I mean, that'd be a perfect daily. Like I said, just a couple things maybe my preference I would do or I wouldn't do. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll give him a 7.5 for that American flag in the back window. 7.5. All right. Last vehicle we're doing. This vehicle is a 2015 Ford F-250, running our Anthem Off-Road Instigators 22x12 negative 44. Toyo Open Country RT's 37x12.5 on a BDS 6-inch lift kit. So this, right, 22x12, way back, Anthem used to make 22-inch wheels. We decided to, a couple years ago, we decided to really focus in on the core off-road part of our name and truly embrace that off-road side of the business. So if you see a set of 20x12s on our website, anthemwheels.com, or you see them on Facebook Marketplace or something, jump on them, man, because those are a legacy item. As a Chevy guy, I am not a fan of Ford trucks, but gosh, he did a really good job building this one.
Our name, Anthem, is really about like the work, the blue-collared atmosphere. So I feel like this guy, you can just, when you look at the truck, you can tell that that's what he does. I mean, he has a toolbox, he has the tow mirrors, it looks like. He has the LED. I'm also a Chevy guy myself. I run a GMC, so and I'm not a huge fan of the Fords, but like I said, this guy looks like he utilizes his truck for the right aspects, and I'm liking the look of this Ford.
Yeah, it looks like he's got some custom lighting. He's running the machine-faced Anthem Instigators, which I think really ties in the chrome from the grille to the chrome to the mirrors, and then you mentioned the toolbox, and he's got the chrome steps and everything. It really is a good balance of the black, the white, and the chrome finish. Everything just flows really, really well. I like the custom lighting that he did on the Ford logo, and then it looks like he's got some custom lighting in his mirrors.
Rocker lights, those are really cool.
Yeah.
I think that really makes the wheels pop itself.
Yeah, absolutely. Man, and it's 6-inch kit. This truck looks really, really big. I would bet, if just looking at the pictures without knowing that it's a 6-inch kit, I would say this looks like a 8 to 10 inch. Man, maybe he just did a really, really good job taking the pictures. But yeah, this is a mean truck.
It is. It fits the F-250 style perfectly too.
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful truck. All right, I think I'm ready to rate it.
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1,
8.
7. Why 8?
8 is just because actually, I mean, this is the style actually my first truck kind of had. I had the toolbox atmosphere, I had the top running lights up there. He utilizes it. Obviously, it looks like he has a work atmosphere to it. It's not just all the showy kind of style truck to it. So
So I would probably have gone with an 8. I would love to see this truck on a set of 18s with 37-inch tires, right? I agree, right? It looks like this is clearly a work truck to me with the toolbox and the bumper and all the lighting and how he has it set up. Man, 22s going through a job site can get kind of scary sometimes, right? I mean, aside from the tires, the wheel sees more dirt and grime than any other part of your vehicle, and 22s are scary to me.
They are.
I would much prefer, you know, a little bit smaller wheel and some more rubber. Gives you a little bit smoother ride, gives you a little bit more protection on your wheel, and just all around, I like to look better.
Yeah.
So really, for that reason alone, 7 instead of an 8 or possibly even a 9. Hey, so thank you very much for taking a little bit of time out of your day. You're usually standing on the other side of the camera. Today you're here with me, and thanks for doing that.
No problem.
Hey, so if you guys are interested or you want to have your vehicle featured in a Rate Your Ride, what I need you to do, guys, do this. In the comments below, drop your username. If you can do a direct link to your Instagram page or your gallery ad or something, drop it in the comments below so that we can get you featured. And most importantly, you need to have your vehicle uploaded to the Anthem Gallery, anthemwheels.com/ad. We'll see you next time.